Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you exactly what you get as a free member of this Leadsleap platform. You can join this platform for free and be a free member for life. So, as a free member, you actually can get targeted traffic to your websites, and these are real human beings. And I'll show you. I'll be able to explain to you how that works. Essentially, you have to view other sites in return for credits and apply those credits to your ads, and then you get views to your ads as well. You can use this platform to actually build an email list. I'm pretty sure you've heard the money is in the list. So with this, you can have unlimited subscribers, which is really unheard of, and you can build up to 10 lists as well. And page builder, you can build capture pages, landing pages, 10 of them. You can get a pop-up creator, so when people are exiting, they can get an exit pop-up. You actually get to track your links, which is so powerful, because you need to know which traffic sources are generating you the hits, if those hits are, how many of those are unique, how many are real, how long people are staying on your pages, how many are opting in, how many of those are converting to sales. This is so important as a marketer, and you get all this for free, and you can actually use the system to actually make money as well. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to quickly share with you an email I got. It's a weekly email. So I'm a pro member in Leadsleap, and I have 10 pro ads running. These ads are just running in the background, and in the past week I got 453 hits to these ads. So which is great as a marketer to always know that you are getting targeted views to your sites. And followers, these are just referrals. So last week I referred 7 people, and then the system allows you to send a message to your team, not just to your followers but your team. So you can see the team here so far have 75 that I've referred, and 99 in the all the way down to level 2 to 10, and level 11 we have 149. So I can have a message. Let me just show you here. You see him? I am somewhere on his downline, and when he puts a message in his back office, I can then see it, right? And so can loads of other people as well, which is a great way to get traffic. These are sites where you can click these sites, and as a free member, you can earn credits, and then you can set up your own ads and get views onto your ad as well. So I'll be able to I'll make a series of videos walking you through that. So when you come in here, you can decide what you want to do. Are you in the learning mode? You just want to learn, or do you want to earn? Are you going to view ads? When you view the ads, you actually earn credits. You can swap those credits for cash. You can share this as well, which is what I do. This is how I earn commissions from this platform. This platform is actually free for me because the commissions pay for my monthly upgrades. So here, if you're looking for a business opportunity, then you can surf ads here. You can read reviews. If you are a marketer, you're looking for a marketing system, you can use it to build your list and all that good stuff. And you can also use it to drive traffic to your offers. And you can have email series going out as well, and you can send out broadcasts. So since I've been with this system here, I've earned $486.24 in commissions. So the way I earn is just simply as an affiliate. This fourth one here, sharing what I'm doing now. I have a total of 323 followers. So when I write my message like this and they log in, they can see my message, okay? And I have had 1,067 ads credits. I've had over 25,000 views to my ads, and 136 people have clicked my ads from this follower message. And I've written a few reviews. This is the traffic I've got from the reviews. So everything's all there documented. And it's an amazing system. So if you are a marketer and you are interested. So if you are a marketer and you're looking for an all-in-one marketing system you can use to grow your business, or you're looking for a simple way to make money online, you can go ahead and click the link in the description to actually access the system. And if you want this funnel that you're actually going to click, when I send you the welcome email, I share the share codes with you where you can go ahead and make this your own. Okay. And if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the in the comments below. I also have a link to my Facebook profile page where you can reach out to me, a link to my mastermind group. Otherwise, yeah, if you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.